Does Blue Origin plan
I don't believe so either. Blue Origin team's training fairing recovery.
fairings rolled past after they had integrated the Escapade scale? I think fairings really. It has the Orion on top. Starship doesn't have fatchable fairings in the world, unless I've forgotten a rocket. But
Yeah, but it tapered a lot. So
yeah,
perhaps we're both missing something, and Alex will correct us really.
huge fairing that is like 50 meters. I don't know. And if you're just joining us, first of all, thank you so much for joining us. We are do that. I think the entire internet is going to go absolutely berserk. How does the height of New Glenn compare?
Pretty close to each other in terms of height. I'm roughly the same there. In terms of the Saturn V,
We can see there the boat's continuing to. Let's have a look through here for some more. But it's blanking my mind right now. I don't know.
He has the answer.
Well, if we stall long enough, then maybe if we move on. Never mind. That Skylab's fairing was 6.6 meter radius, 17.1 to Imperial. Correction and compare. Beat it on diameter. Might beat it on length.
are 16,184 cubic feet.
Do the comparison and see which one was actually bigger from Astrotech to Launch Complex 36. And yeah, at the Cape before really, in terms of at the Cape just yet. So New Glenn is kind of a train of thought. But we have a project. That's a lot of long words in the
Complete. They're way ahead of their original
schedule. So from the booster, which is what we would have a look through here as the wind picking up stacks up. First of all, what a flare stack actually is, and then
But oxygen as the oxidizer and the propellants are methane, and the excess hydrogen. So there's a couple.
Volume question. We have Xynonox 58 meters cubed. So I would be drone view there from the Launch Complex 39 press site. So that makes sense why we're hearing the rain confirmation from one of our bots there. It is indeed. So yeah, these storms have been rolling in from the west for
Northwest.
They've formed on the west, so they've drifted up north, kind of.
The storm and how fast it's rolling, because as
New Glenn will be launching east. So as long as these...
We can think optimistic thoughts, and we can hope that that's stalling, because I might have accidentally closed the forecast. Here it is. Let me open electric fields rule and the anvil clouds rule. We 5% POV, with the primary concerns being liftoff wind forecast conditions for today and tomorrow in the event.
Now, as we pointed out, there's still 2 hours until launch is continuing. So people in chat don't...
I'll put it that way.
And when you would be able to see it, by the way. I like when launch from minutes to 90 seconds into flight. You get really panhandle area, you get to see it. 180 seconds in.
I think it's only blue. The weather conditions are nice. You may be able to see them as well. Oh, no.
Any launch from Vandenberg, because you won't be able to see because of the fog.
By the setting sun, which was...
Launch site itself.